We're at Honey Hole Beach, guys.
Honey Hole
We're
Beach.
singing, so and we're talking a little louder, keep the music down.
Yes,
so
exactly. Yep.
Well, we'll see you at the beach, guys. Bye-bye.
Bumblebees all over the palm.
27 single. I got a nickel. All I got so far elsewise is a dime, so keep going.
Okay. My first signal is a 62. Let's see what we got for my 62. Junk. Oops, there it goes there. That's it right there. All right, new target here. 8081. There you go, 8081. What do we get? And the scoop. I got a dime. There we go.
This was another pull tab signal. There you go, I got a little ring. A little hard on there. 29.30 on the main quarter.
Okay, I'm on a target, and it's an 80, which of course is probably a dime. And yes, it is. It is a dime. Second dime for the night. All right, just found somebody's first aid kit. I'm gonna throw it out. Looks dirty. Okay, 65, 67. Got myself a shield scent.
This was ringing up in the 30s. There you go, Kathy. Teacher's gold.
All right, just dug a pull tab signal and did not get a pull tab. I got a blingy little heart. There you go. That's cute. 3 little pink hearts on another heart. That's cute. First candidate for my Ultimate Finds box.
I just got an 88 single, and I got a quarter. I was to say, I thought maybe the mess here, the kids left it, but this has been in the water for quite a while. 70, 77 singles, and I got myself a dime.
All right, I like 29s when they are nickels. All right, another 29 and another nickel.
27 single, just got myself a nickel.
All right, one more, 29 nickel. This one's gray. However, I don't see anything up above the dome, so it's not silver. 1978 is what I see on it. All right, you know me, heading over for a toy, pink. Gotta swing my way over. Found an 88 in the sand as I was swinging, and I've got myself a quarter, shiny in the sunset. Look at that. Now we'll pick up this rake. Oh, there's something else in the sand here. Hang on, get the rake. $29.30. Do I have another nickel? Got it. Yep, I got another nickel. There we are. All right, I just figured out why I'm finding all these nickels. Nobody's got memorial cents or shield cents anymore. That's why I'm finding all the nickels. All right, it got me another quarter signal. Got it. There it is. Quarter. All right, I am definitely on a spill. See that water bottle there? All in here. I've found 2 dimes so far. I just got a nickel. The quarter was in the spot too. I got another dime signal here. Yep, there it is, dime. There you go. Dime. All right, let's check this area one more time. Oops, yep, more. There's another nickel. Yep. Oh, hey, no, jackpot. 3 nickels now. All right, 1, 2, 3. Another dime. All right, got the dime this time. There it is. Dime. I think I cleaned it out. Nothing else. All right, let's go catch up with Tim.
Okay, this was bringing up 8. Looks like maybe it held stones in there one time. Not quite sure what this is, if it's jewelry or... Not quite sure. But it's interesting.
I am on another spill. I got a quarter signal still in the sand, but in my scoop I have a quarter and a dime. Let's get this quarter. I'm still missing it. Unless, of course, there's more. Nope, not in that one. That time I finally got it. There it is. One quarter.
27 single. And I got another nickel.
Okay. Tiny!
Let's put it on this quick.
Yep.
There we go.
Oh, I made him drop it.
$89 single. I see a quarter right here. Let's see if there's anything else. Probably a dime. There's my quarter. And there's my dime.
All right, I just dug a shallow 6 and I got this. It's got markings on it. I see MF. I see some other markings. RR, G. I don't know. It's interesting.
Hey guys, we're doing a wrap up. Despite the neighborhood noise, mowing the lawns, cars running.
That's the way it goes.
Yep,
I know.
Yep, life happens.
Yep.
This is a wrap up of a hunt from
Honey Hole Beach.
Honey Hole Beach. That's
Yeah.
right. Yeah, well, not a bad day. Not
at all.
terrific, but not a bad day. So
No.
let's show you what we got, guys.
Let's do it.
Start us off.
Trash.
Trash, okay.
Yep. And a step full of toys and other stuff.
I got a glug there.
I see.
Yeah. Little ducky.
Tito's.
Got a little ducky there.
Yeah, that was a surface find, right? You found that in the parking lot, didn't you?
And then go down the coinage.
Down in the coins. We got $2.50 in quarters and 17 dimes, including one
of the
New Liberty.
The New Liberty one.
That's pretty. Still pretty. Yeah.
Show us the bling bling.
The bling blings. Here's the bling bling. There you go.
That's a pretty little piece, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Nice. And then Tim got
It's a
a
Pandora.
Pandora ring.
Yep.
Yes. So that's nice. And
That
this
one there.
was one of my last signals on the way
Yeah,
off the beach. It says GR heart me.
Me, yeah.
And
That's
then
kinda
more
cool.
hearts. So it's cool. Yeah?
And that's it.
That's it.
And now what are we up to?
We're going out to the beach again.
Yep.
You know.
We'll see you at the beach, guys. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.